afternoon, teacher. My name is Genesis Mina. She is Nayeli Gudinho. Questions goes where? Hello, Nayeli.
Hello.
I have 4 questions for you about the past. Question 1. What were your favorite sports?
My favorite sport were soccer.
Question 2, Nayeli. They were entertaining.
Oh yeah, they were entertaining.
Question 3. Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Alexandra Vasquez.
Question 4. Was he good teacher?
Yes, he was a very good teacher.
Thanks, Nayeli.
A pleasure.
Goodbye, teacher.